Okay, in this short video, we're going to take a look at a couple of powerful features in the workout editor in the MyFitStatus app. So let's take a look here. We have a workout that we have all planned out, and it's already ready to track, and we're sitting at the gym now, and we're ready to start our workout. And so we see here in our first section of our workout, we have 5 sets of barbell squats, and each one of those sets will be using 5 reps, as you can see here. And so as we start our workout, we want to begin tracking. And so we're going to enter the weight that we do for the set. But now let's assume that we don't know what weight we should be using because maybe we've never done 5 rep sets of barbell squats, or maybe it's been a while and we can't remember. So we tap on the barbell squat and we pull that up for the set. And then we could enter the weight here. But instead of just guessing or trying and then missing out on some of our sets by either doing too much or too little, we can pull up our exercise history right down here. So we tap the exercise history button, and you'll notice here it pulls up the history of the barbell squat that we've used in previous workouts. So we can see that the last time it was on July 26th of 2016 at 2:14 p.m. But not only that, not only can we see that we performed 5 reps at 225 pounds on that date, but we can see that it was in the 3rd section of our workout and that it was set number 5 of 5 sets. So not only can we see the rep count and the amount of weight, but we can see where it fell within the workout. And so we can make an assessment of why that number may be what it is, this 225. We can look here that in set 4 of 5, we actually performed 3 reps at 245 pounds. And then the previous set, we performed 4 reps at 245 pounds. And so you can see that we got a little weaker as we went through the workout. And so that kind of explains why we're seeing the numbers that we're seeing. So by having that additional information, it can be very helpful in making a determination on what amount of weight we should attempt on this particular workout. Now, if we want to go up and get a rep max calculation based on a particular number of reps and weight, we can tap the rep max button, and it pulls up a nice rep max calculation chart showing the value that we are known. And here that was 4 reps at 245 pounds. But then the other numbers, it automatically calculates based on industry standard information what we could probably lift at various other rep counts. So we know that we can lift 245 for 4 reps, but with that information, then we can assume that we could probably lift somewhere in the 272 pound range for 1 rep, or 8 reps we could perform probably somewhere in the 218 pound range. And so it gives us a good starting point, a good way of making a intelligent guess on where we might want to attempt to lift for this particular workout. Now, not only do we have exercise history there, but we can pull up our exercise personal records, or PRs as they're often referred to, by tapping the exercise PR button. And then this will show us the exact number of reps and weight that we've done and the best that we've ever performed from all of our workouts that have been tracked in the app. And so here you can see for barbell squat, we've done 1 rep at 300 pounds and date and time again. Also the section number and set number, so we have that useful information, as well as a past personal record and the date that that was performed. And it shows us the exact rep counts for the different weights, and it just scrolls through the list there, and you can see all that information. And again, just like the exercise history, you have the rep max calculation, so you can do a calculated rep max based on one of those lifts as well. Once you've decided what you're going to attempt, then you simply put in your number there. Let's say you successfully lift that amount, and then you hit accept, and that will then prompt you, do you want to go ahead and apply this to all of the other sets within that section so that you don't have to enter it again? We'll say yes, and now our section is updated with all our rep counts, and then we can just, as we go through, perform set number 2, we finish that, scroll up, perform set number 3, perform that, and so forth. And then you can see there it's very quick, very easy to not only track your workouts, but to pull up previous workout history so that we can make intelligent decisions whenever we're tracking our workouts.